When it comes to wheels, there used to be pretty much two options. Either you shelled out the big bucks and got directional, fully forged wheels, or you bought cast wheels that looked directional but really ended up backwards on one side. That is, until a few companies got fed up with that and started offering true directional cast wheels at prices far below those of their forged counterparts. But does it really matter that much? Today we're asking, what's the hype with directional wheels? Back in the day, you had two options for wheels, cast and forged. Your cast wheels were the run-of-the-mill aluminum alloy wheels that had a plethora of different styles and were the most affordable option and the quickest and easiest to get. Forged wheels cost significantly more but had crazier designs, thinner spokes, a mirror-like finish, and here's the kicker, true directional. But what exactly does that mean? A truly directional set of wheels means that you have a left and a right with their own unique part numbers so that when you get your wheels, you can choose whether you want them to be digging or swooping. Directional wheels have a spin in their design and can be installed on your truck so that regardless of which side you look at, they're facing the same way. This just wasn't an option without spending thousands of dollars until recently. As wheel brands became more and more competitive, there are new brands that are popping up each year that are offering true directional or proper directional wheels in their cast lineups, which is a good move for the dudes like me that just can't shell out 10 G's on specialty forged wheels. Now, having double the inventory and double the part numbers isn't a cheap venture, so there isn't hundreds of options out there, but there are a few. Tough just released the T2A True Directional in both black and milled and chrome. Hostile just jumped into the directional game with their LRD wheel line, and Archon has 5 different options for directional wheels with the Crown Series Victory, the Lincoln, the Alexander, the Cleopatra, and the Caesar. Extreme Force just released a pile of directional designs, and all their new stuff is compression forged but still sold at the regular cast price. If you aren't up to speed on compression forged wheels, we've got a whole nother video to cover all of that. So, is there a benefit to true directional wheels? Well, no, not at all actually. They are purely aesthetic. A lot of show truck and high quality builds are running true directional wheels to complement their builds. When you have a lot of thought and design put into your build, wouldn't you want to finish it off with wheels that complement it and flow with the style of your build? Some people say no, they never even noticed that one side of their truck had wheels running backwards, but others just want that little bit of extra detail because for them it's all about the details. Or who knows, maybe they're OCD and they need their wheels running in the right way because that's just what needs to happen to have a completed and balanced truck build. So, why is there so much hype around having proper directional wheels? A huge part of it is obviously just the look and having a consistent style on both sides of your truck. Additionally, you get wheels that look forged but for a fraction of the price, and that just makes it super easy to ball for the gram. They may be seen as pretty boy designs or forged wheel lookalikes, but it's all really up to personal design preference and finding what fits your budget and your build style the best. So let us know what you think. Are directional wheels the best thing since sliced bread, or do they not live up to the hype?